Here's the Flashlube Catch Can that I've installed on this Jeep. It's a WH model, 2005. In Australia, I think overseas they're WK. But I've just mounted it here. So there's a little light going on. So I just got a bracket down there. There was a hole in there in this sort of cross member piece. So you can just mount a bracket in there and a bolt through there to install it. I've just got a zip tie on the other side going in there. And I've got both the tubes on the pipe facing towards the motor. And so I basically cut the breather pipe that comes out of down there. You just see down there, that pipe there. So I cut it in half, and then it ends up over there, down on where the orange seal is. That probably should actually be a black seal, I think, but it's so I just cut that in half. So that's the return pipe there, that one. So I've just got a single connector in there, single connector piece. There it is, that's a better shot. Single connector piece in the hose on the right. And then on that one there, I've got a elbow piece. So it's hard to get a good shot because there you go, you can just see there. That's got an elbow piece in there. And that comes off of that the black thing where the oil comes out, and that goes back around into the catch can. So that's how I've installed it. Oh, excuse me. That's how I've installed it on this Jeep Grand Cherokee 2005 WH model, and that should hopefully prevent any of those crankcase oil emissions going back into the turbo. That'll all catch into this thing here instead. The drain hose, you can see down there, I've just got that running down. You can connect that out at the wheel well underneath. You can pop down under here and service it and empty it under here if you want. But for now, I've got it just sort of poking under this power steering bottle, and just got it zip tied down here so I can keep an eye on that and empty it as I need be. Now I just got to finish off the oil change, and that's job done. Cheers.